Okay, ladies and gents, we are at Nahoon Estuary Reserve Center. Reserve. What? Nahoon Estuary Nature Reserve. So I'm about to take a train. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but follow me as I follow you. Sunbeam. Okay. There's a lot of things that are written here. I haven't researched about this place, but you can read and learn about this estuary. Let's go. Okay, let's see what. Okay, there's birds here, so we need to be quiet. This is just the start of it. Hey, I hate cracklings. In memory of Nada Hawis, 22 June. Okay. I'm all alone in this train. How I ate cracklings and rattling. Don't know if they are snakes or what they are, but this is a nature reserve. Free of charge. You come here during the week from 9 o'clock to 4 o'clock. You take your trails. You just come here and walk for free. You just come here, walk for free, you pay nothing. And you say life is very expensive and what. Here's us walking in the train for free. Okay, might have to run, but I'm not. I'm tempted. Okay, there should be fence there, so those ones can enter here even during the week, even during the weekends. Okay. Something. I don't know what I'm expecting to see here, but definitely not snakes. Okay, fresh water. Let's see, we're here now. Freshwater wetlands. This is where we are. Okay, but it doesn't look wet. I'm gonna check if there's really fresh water here. Okay, I think we are approaching a boardwalk. Forest walk. I'm not going to the forest. Definitely. Okay, these are the roads. If you go that way, you are taking a forest walk. But if you go this way, you are taking a boardwalk. Then there's another reminder of the route. Then, okay, that's unnecessary. So now let's see. This bridge is called the Wheels Bridge. I hope I'll be able to get back to where I started. Otherwise, I'm gonna keep walking here till my energy depletes. Yeah. I don't know what I'm expecting to see here. Okay, yeah, I'm all sweating. Okay, so you can rest. If I was not alone, I was gonna rest with my person there. See what's written. In celebration of life and God's creation in this wonderful nature reserve. Peace, perfect peace, Terry and Sharon Lockyer. Okay, see, I needed my Sharon there. Just the Terry alone. Okay. Oh, there's another resting place, but hey, I'm not going there. There might be snakes here. And there's something else that is written there. Oh, scared of forests. Okay, now this one we can take. Okay. So something like this is written. Hidden Sea. Then this is another resting place. Donated by Ken and Getty Griffiths. Let's go. Shout out to the Griffiths. Okay. There seems to be a light. So if I was eating something, I was gonna pour my stuff, my guts inside that rubbish bin. But now, I'm not a eater, I'm a runner. Okay, let's see. Okay. We still have 19 minutes of battery life. Okay, of memory life. So we can still walk around and see. Oh, wow. So I don't know the name of this bridge, but it doesn't look like people normally come here. See the views. Look at the mountains. So I'm board walking now. Board walking. Let's see if the trail can be seen. It's not that clear on the GoPro. Okay. Estuary fish. So I'm hoping they allow you to fish here. I don't think so, but I don't think people are allowed to come here and fish. Okay, we are board walking. I don't know where this route is leading, because I'm expecting that it should turn and go around so that I can go back to where I started. Okay, there's two roads now. This is this one and this one. Let's check this one. Okay, this is an estuary for birds. No, I'm not going that way. Hey, that's too shady. Hey, now I'm tempted. Let me think about it as I go that way. Oh God. The things I do just to be popular, mangrove swamps, just to be popular, the things I do. Now I have to risk my life and go that way. Okay, in the memory of who? In the loving memory, Eddie and Marty. Lop now from Mike and Fat. Yeah, hi. Can't read some of the words. Okay, this deck continues. Where are we going here? So it continues. I don't think we've covered even